how to hedge your forex trades on forex.com platform. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the forex.com app. After you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. First of all, you need to know what hedging is. Hedging is one of the most advanced trading strategy. It is also a currency risk management strategy business, which is used to protect against the losses which are caused by fluctuations in foreign exchange rates. So if there is any unexpected movements in exchange rates, hedging can help you with that. Let's say if your existing position is going to incur a loss, you will open a second or third position that will earn a profit to offset some of the risk. So most hedging strategies use derivatives such as CFDs, options tradings, or futures trading. So let's say if you hold a long position on this currency pair, this means you believe that the value of this currency pair will increase, so therefore you are willing to hold it for an extended period. Also, to mitigate the losses, you can use the hedging strategy. Even if you're having loss, you can use your second or third position in order to change your loss into a profit. So there are various strategies to consider for hedging. You can use the diversification as a hedging method. You can use futures contracts. You can do hedging with the options trading. You can do currency hedging and many more. So that's how you can hedge your forex trades on forex.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.